Hey guys, welcome back. So today is the third day about the Spindles, or in regards to the Spindles. Now I finally got them off, so now I'm driving to Lowlife. They started offering to shorten the IS300 Spindles, or I just think in general of anything that's in regard to welding. They started offering that, so now we're gonna go over there. It was a pretty good deal. I was gonna buy it from that Osaka's, something like that. His IG is something like that. I'll put it there if anything. But yeah, I was gonna buy it off of him. However, it's gonna take a while for me to get them because I think they're coming from Japan, if I'm not mistaken, or Russia. Correct me if I'm wrong. But the price difference was a lot. I need the car running by January because now Florida's having us go back to the office, so I won't be working remote anymore. So I need to get this car running like ASAP. So now I'm gonna take it to Lowlife. He told me it's gonna about be a week turnaround. So let's see how fast they can hook me up. It's Tuesday now. They only open from Friday to Tuesday, so I'm sure they won't get to it till probably the weekend. And then there's Christmas, so hopefully I can get it before Christmas, next Tuesday maybe. And if not, then it's fine. But yeah, so I'll try to just keeping you guys updated. I'll try to get more updates during the process. If not, then I'll see you back when I get the Spindles again, and I'll show you guys the before and after. I'm gonna show you one more time how the spindle looks currently after I give it to him, and then before I give it to him, and then I will show you the aftermath once I get them back. So this video won't be done until like a week later. So yeah.